The first gift I'm going to give to you is a course creations kit. Now, you know how to do something, you know how to produce this thing, you know how to produce this thing, but you don't know how to package it so that you can either sell that course, people can buy from you, and you make money from there. I'm going to give to you these gifts for free. We used to sell it at 10,000, but for today, I am giving it to you for free. So if you know you need it, click the link attached to this video and get it for free. And mine is just for the very first 10%. The second gift I'm also going to give to you for free is copywriting made easy. Copywriting made easy. The 4 P's to copywriting. Now, 8 powerful words in copywriting, 3 common mistakes that people made, that copywriters made, and 10 elements to an effective sales copy. These are what you're going to get for free. We used to give this at 10,000, but today I'm going to give to you for free. I don't need the money. All you have to do is click the link attached to this video if you know that you need it. Yes, that's it. Now, what's the third thing I'm going to give you? The third gift I'm actually going to give to you, it will blow your mind. 25 customers converting copywriting scripts. Now, these are things you tell your customers, oh, you want to use it and close your deals. The effective way to follow all your customers, how to say. Now, this used to go out for 5,000, but I'm canceling the old money. I'm not charging you for anything. It's free. All you have to do is click the link attached to this video and get it for free. Free ebook guide, a complete guide on how to potentially make money weekly and monthly. Now, this is absolutely free. You're going to get it. Everything you need to know a digital economy, how to make between 100,000 to 300,000 weekly. You're going to learn the golden rules to make money online. So if you know you want to get it, click the link now attached to this video so you can get it for free. What else are you going to get for free? Jim Rohn says that readers are leaders or leaders are readers. That is to say, if you don't dwell on personal development, you don't read, you will not become successful. So I have 4 books I am going to give to you. 4 books. And these books are what transform my life. The first is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. By the time you read this book, you learn how to convert sex energy into money. I don't know if you've heard that before. You're going to learn how to convert sex energy, sex urge into money. That's just nothing but the truth. I believe that's making sense. The next one is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. This is another powerful book that really transformed my life. Aside from that, Sales Like Crazy. Man, you need this book. You see this book? You need this book so that you can sell enough and make enough money. As if that's not enough, How to Sell to Anyone in Nigeria is another powerful book that you need as an entrepreneur to succeed in this 21st century. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pack it together and send it to you as a soft copy. If you have money, please go and get the hard copy of it. Get the hard copies of this book and read. They are going to transform your life. But if you don't have money to go and get the hard copy, or maybe you're not closer, click the link attached to this video. I'm going to send it to you for free. Yes, I'm going to send it to you for free. The soft copy. You now spend time and read it. Click the link attached to this video. Another thing you're also going to learn are crazy 15 easy money making course. Now, this is an easy way to print your own currency, to print your own money. What are you going to learn? Look at the screen. The first thing you're going to learn is a digital product called kit creation. How to produce digital products, convert things into digital products. You're going to learn that. Game development course. This is another thing you're going to learn. Smartphone VTU creations. As if that's not enough. How to make your business online. Now, Google My Business. It's called Google My Business. So, how to register Google My Business, to register your business online. If someone pick up your phone and search the name of your business and search your business, they will see it online, see your location, see your address for free. How to do that for free? You're going to get it in this course. Now you're also going to get the ultimate PayPal solution, YouTube ads solution, or YouTube ad masterclass, Facebook ads masterclass, YouTube channels management, WhatsApp marketing course, TikTok crash course, mobile video editing course, smartphone graphic design, ultimate web design training, blogging monetization course, Amazon book publishing. These are things you're going to get. Now, these used to go for 5,000, but as a bonus course, we add copywriting skill masterclass. You're going to get digital marketing course as the blueprint, social media management, ChatGPT monetization, and free access to most of the pro apps. These are what you stand to get. As if that's not enough, there's something crazy you're about to get. Now, this one is called 7 skills course. Now, this goes for free. And it's only for the best 10 persons who click the link attached to this video and apply to learn it for their personal development. Yes, remember that if you do not invest in yourself, you disappoint yourself, because our government has failed us, our educational system has failed us. So if you know you don't want to fail yourself, you need to spend time and invest in yourself. So you're going to learn the A to Z of blogging, TikTok marketing, e-commerce creation, social media management, YouTube monetization, and get access to pro app like I said. And this is another crazy. If you have ever known of Canva, you have been doing design. Now this time we're giving you templates for free. So you don't need to go and start cracking your head. We're giving you powerful templates that have already been in, we have prepared it already. So all you have to do is go and change the name, change the color. So if you want template for pizza, one template for whatever, videography, different things, they are already templates. So you just go there and use template. Over 500 design templates already we are going to give you for free. So if you know you are on Canva, you use Canva for anything, then click the link attached to this video and request for this Canva templates. We are going to give you for free. Yes, for free. Normally this used to go for 15,000, but at this time I'm going to give you for free. All of this is free. Another thing we're going to also give to you is we actually sold this at 5,000, but we're going to give it for free is ChatGPT prompts. Over 1,000 prompts I'll give you for free. Yes, we used to sell this at 5,000, but we are going to give it for free. What are you going to get from this ChatGPT prompts? Mastering ChatGPT business tools, email marketing with ChatGPT, YouTube marketing with ChatGPT, customers support with ChatGPT, SEOs ChatGPT, website with ChatGPT, Twitter with ChatGPT, copywriting with ChatGPT, Facebook ads with ChatGPT, LinkedIn marketing with ChatGPT. As if that's not enough, influencer marketing with ChatGPT, content marketing with ChatGPT, pro marketing with ChatGPT, affiliate marketing with ChatGPT, TikTok marketing with ChatGPT. We're going to give you this for free. So if this makes sense to you, then what do you need to do? Click the link attached for this video and ask for free. Yes, we're going to give you this for free. Now, this is the mind-blowing. This is the greatest of all. Over 100 courses. Over 100 courses for different things you want to talk about. Pricing and negotiating strategy. How to make your customer beg you to buy. Now there's a way you follow up your customers and they now beg, oh please keep that thing for me. I'm coming. I want to come and buy it. How to sell digital products. You're going to learn how to set up your Facebook ads for beginners. How to run ads on Facebook and YouTube with just your smartphone. How to pay Facebook here in Nigeria. As if that's not enough, you're going to go as far as learning digital course online, how to sell on WhatsApp, and many more. Look, there are over 100 things you're going to learn here. Over 100. So if this makes sense to you, what do you need to do? Click the link attached to this video and we're going to give you this for free. Remember that if you don't develop yourself, you will disappoint yourself, because our government has failed us, our education system has failed us. You are the last person to fail yourself. If you don't want to fail yourself, click the link now, get the task that you need to do so you can get this course for free. I love you.